Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. Yes, I've been working hard to try and get a bunch of these out. Some are small, some are bigger. Hopefully you guys all enjoy. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Funko Pop, Marvel, Deadpool as Bob Ross. This was a Christmas gift, but I believe you can pick these up over at Galactic. I'm not sure. I've also heard that maybe my discount code does not work on Funko Pops over at Galactic Toys. I am not sure. I'm not a big Funko collector. I have like 6, and they're all actually in my PC case, and they're all Deadpool. So, yeah, use it at your own risk, but you can try it out. GalacticToys.com. Use code Starshadow, possibly for 10% off. No guarantees. So let's keep this short and sweet. Jump down the table, take a look at what this guy looks like out of the package, and then we'll close it out. All right, so here we are with the Funko Pop Marvel 319 Deadpool as Bob Ross bobblehead figurine. I love Deadpool. Anybody that knows me knows that if I could, I'd run around in a full Deadpool outfit. Taking a look at the backside, nothing. Side, shot. Front, shot. Side, shot. All right, let's take this out. Now I know a lot of people they collect these, they'll keep them in the containers. I don't see what the point in that is. The whole point in these is to open them and use them. All right, comes in your typical clamshell. We're going to get rid of that. And here is our bobblehead. There, 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 do, 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 do. Hey, what the hell? We're going to paint some happy trees and some happy blood. Yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Meh. All right. I actually really like this guy. He is going to end up going into my PC case with the rest of them. I do really like the fluffy hair. I'm a sick and twisted person. I would have loved to have seen something like this with actual wig on here. You got the paintbrush, you got the color palette. There's not a lot to go over on this. Is it well done? Sure. It's a Funko Pop. How bad can it be? But yeah, I really like this. I can't wait to stick them in there. I've actually wanted one of these and had it in my wish list for some time. And one of my coworkers actually got this for me for Christmas at work. So I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, dude. I don't know what else to say as far as review for a Funko Pop. It is what it is. Should you buy it? Well, if you like painting, you like Bob Ross, you like Deadpool, it's a win. All right, guys. I mean, I don't know what else to say about it. It's a Funko Pop. He's for display. Like I said before, some people end up putting these in big stacks on their wall of all the different ones. They treat them like Pokemon, gotta collect them all. I only have a few, and that's only because they're ones that I really like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was trying to be a little bit funny, just doing a quick unboxing so that I could put it over in the case, being the PC case with the rest of them. I'm not sure if that's safe, but it seems to be cool, and they look good in there, and there's plenty of room. So I will see you guys all in the next video. If you like this video and you want to see more crap like this, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Love you all, and I will see you all guys all in the next video. Peace.